What if I told you that you've been cleaning your home the hard way your entire life? That there are simple tricks that could cut your cleaning time in half and give you better results. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we're all about making your life easier with simple, practical tips you can use right away. Before we get started, check out the link in the description to download our ebook. Check out our Skool community for a step-by-step walkthrough on side hustles. There will be a new side hustle every week. There are currently 10 founding member spots for only $29 or £23. That means lifetime access for less than your weekly coffee spend. Let's be honest, cleaning is nobody's favorite activity. We all have a million other things we'd rather be doing, right? But here's the thing. Your home still needs to be cleaned, and if you're going to do it anyway, why not make it as quick and painless as possible? That's exactly what we're doing today. I'm breaking down 7 incredible cleaning hacks that use stuff you probably already have at home. These aren't complicated tricks that require special equipment or hours of prep time. These are simple, straightforward methods that actually work. So grab a notepad if you want to jot these down, and let's dive right in. All right, hack number 1 is going to blow your mind. Did you know that dishwasher tablets aren't just for dishes? These little powerhouses are incredible for cleaning your oven, your washing machine, and even your shower doors. Here's how it works. For your oven, take a dishwasher tablet and dip it in warm water. Then scrub it directly on the oven glass or the interior walls. The tablet breaks down grease and baked-in food like nothing else. You'll see the grime literally lifting off as you scrub. Once you're done, wipe it down with a damp cloth and then dry it. Your oven will look brand new. For your washing machine, just toss a dishwasher tablet into the empty drum and run a hot cycle. This cleans out all the built-up detergent residue, mold, and funky smells that accumulate over time. And for shower doors, same deal. Wet the tablet, scrub those water spots and soap scum away, rinse, and you're golden. I cannot tell you how much time this saves compared to traditional oven cleaners or trying to scrub with baking soda paste for 20 minutes. The best part, dishwasher tablets are cheap. You probably already have them under your sink. This one hack alone is worth its weight in gold because it tackles some of the most annoying cleaning jobs in your house. Moving on to hack number 2, and this one is perfect. If you have pets, if you're a dog or cat owner, you know the struggle. Pet hair gets everywhere. It's on your couch, your carpet, your clothes, and no matter how much you vacuum, it feels like it never truly goes away. Here's the solution. Grab a pair of rubber cleaning gloves, you know the kind you use for washing dishes, put them on, and simply run your hands over your furniture, your carpet, or any fabric surface that's covered in pet hair. The rubber creates friction and static that pulls the hair right off the fabric. It clumps together in these satisfying little balls that you can just pick up and throw away. It's so much faster than vacuuming and way more effective than those lint rollers that run out of sticky sheets in about 5 seconds. I discovered this hack by accident when I was wearing dish gloves and petted my cat, and all this hair just stuck to the gloves. I thought, wait a minute, this could actually work for cleaning. And it does, beautifully. This is especially great for car interiors too. If your car seats are covered in pet hair, just throw on those gloves and go to town. Your car will look like you just had it detailed. Seriously, if you have pets, this hack is a lifesaver. Hack number 3 is all about your carpets, and you're going to need a window squeegee for this one. Yes, a squeegee. Trust me on this. Over time, carpets accumulate hair, dust, and all kinds of debris that vacuums sometimes miss, especially if you have high-pile carpet. Here's what you do. Take a regular window squeegee and drag it across your carpet in one direction. You will be shocked at how much stuff comes up. We're talking clumps of hair, dust bunnies, even small debris that was hiding deep in the fibers. The rubber edge of the squeegee grabs onto everything and pulls it to the surface. Once you've done a section, you can either pick up the debris by hand or vacuum it up quickly. This is particularly amazing before you have guests over because it makes your carpet look fluffier and cleaner. It's like giving your carpet a deep clean without renting one of those expensive carpet cleaning machines. I like to do this once a month in high-traffic areas, like the living room and hallway. It takes maybe 10 minutes and makes such a noticeable difference. Plus, squeegees cost like $5. You might even have one already. If you don't, grab one next time you're at the store because you're going to use it way more than you think. All right, Hack number 4 is the ultimate bathroom cleaning solution, and it only requires 2 ingredients: Dawn dish soap and white vinegar. That's it. Here's the recipe. Mix equal parts Dawn dish soap and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Heat the vinegar in the microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds before mixing. Not boiling, just warm. Shake it up gently, and you've just created the most powerful bathroom cleaner you've ever used. Spray this mixture on your shower walls, your bathtub, your sink, and even your toilet. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then come back with a sponge or brush and give it a light scrub. The soap scum, hard water stains, and grime will wipe away with minimal effort. The magic here is the combination. Dawn cuts through grease and soap residue, while the vinegar breaks down mineral deposits and hard water stains. Together, they're unstoppable. I started using this years ago after spending way too much money on fancy bathroom cleaners that didn't even work as well. This homemade version costs pennies to make and outperforms everything I've bought at the store. One pro tip though, make sure your bathroom is well ventilated, because the vinegar smell can be strong at first, but it dissipates quickly, and honestly, it's a small price to pay for a sparkling clean bathroom in half the time. Hack number 5 is going to save you from that horrible moment when you clean your ceiling fan and dust rains down all over your freshly cleaned floor. We've all been there, right? Here's the trick. Grab an old pillowcase. Slide it over one fan blade at a time so the blade is inside the pillowcase. Then pull the pillowcase back towards you, trapping all the dust inside the fabric. The dust never hits the floor. It all stays contained in the pillowcase. You just repeat this for each blade, and when you're done, turn the pillowcase inside out and throw it in the wash. This method is so much faster than climbing up with a rag and trying to wipe each blade individually, getting dust everywhere. Plus, you can clean your fan without moving all your furniture or needing to vacuum afterward. One wish I had known about this years ago. I used to dread cleaning ceiling fans because of the mess. Now it takes me maybe 3 minutes per fan, and there's zero cleanup afterward. If you have multiple ceiling fans in your home, this hack alone will save you so much time and frustration. Hack number 6 is perfect for your microwave, and it makes the whole kitchen smell amazing too. If your microwave has dried food splatters and looks like a disaster zone, this is for you. Take a microwave safe bowl and fill it with water. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the water, then drop the lemon halves in 2. Pop the bowl in the microwave and heat it on high for 3 to 5 minutes until the water boils and creates steam. Let it sit for another 2 or 3 minutes without opening the door. The steam loosens all the stuck-on food and grime. When you open the door, you can just wipe everything away with a damp cloth. It takes almost no effort. Everything just slides right off. The lemon not only helps cut through grease, but also leaves your microwave smelling fresh and clean instead of like leftover takeout. This is one of those hacks that feels like magic the first time you try it. I do this about once a week now, and my microwave always looks clean. No more scrubbing dried spaghetti sauce off the walls for 15 minutes. Just steam, wipe, done. Last but definitely not least, hack number 7 is for your baseboards. Baseboards are one of those things we forget about until we actually look at them and realize they're covered in dust and scuff marks. Here's the hack. Use a dryer sheet. Yep, those fabric softener sheets you put in the dryer. They work incredibly well for cleaning baseboards. The texture of the dryer sheet picks up dust and dirt without scratching the paint. Plus, dryer sheets have a coating that actually repels dust, so your baseboards will stay cleaner longer after you wipe them down. Just take a fresh or used dryer sheet and wipe along your baseboards. You'll see the dust coming right off. For scuff marks, you might need to apply a tiny bit more pressure, but they come off easily too. This is way easier than getting down on your hands and knees with a bucket of soapy water and a rag. You can do this while standing. It's quick, and it actually works better than traditional methods. I keep a pack of dryer sheets in my cleaning caddy now just for this purpose. It's become my go-to method for baseboards, and I actually don't mind cleaning them anymore because it's so fast and easy. And there you have it, friends. 7 cleaning hacks that are going to make your life so much easier. Let's do a quick recap. We covered dishwasher tablets for tough jobs like ovens and shower doors, rubber gloves for pet hair, squeegees for carpets, the Dawn and Vinegar bathroom miracle, pillowcases for ceiling fans, lemon steam for microwaves, and dryer sheets for baseboards. The best part about all of these hacks, you probably already have most of these supplies at home right now. You don't need to buy expensive specialty cleaners or complicated gadgets, just simple, everyday items used in smart ways. I want to challenge you to try at least one of these hacks this week. Pick the one that addresses your biggest cleaning headache and give it a shot. I guarantee you're going to be impressed with the results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future videos packed with tips like these. Drop a comment below and let me know which hack you're most excited to try, or if you have your own cleaning hack that you swear by, share it with the community. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, go make your home sparkle with way less effort. Happy cleaning.